one, I'm going to make quiet book. It will be very simple book, but at the same time I'll show you some new techniques and tips as well. And in this video I will show you required materials for the book. I'm going to use 3 kinds of cotton fabric. For the quiet book pages, I'm going to use cotton fabric. I need 35 centimeters if the width is about 110 centimeters. To bind quiet book pages, I need 25 centimeters, and the width of mine is 115 centimeters, so I need only 25 centimeters. And third one is for the covers. I need only 17 by 35 centimeters, and extra fabric I'm going to use for the outer spine. Next, I'm going to use fusible interfacing, woven, heavyweight. If the width is 110 centimeters, I need 50 centimeters of the fusible interfacing. 35 centimeters I'm going to use to stiffen the pages, and some fusible interfacing I'm going to use for the outer spine, and some of it I need to stiffen the felt. So between the pages I'm going to put layer of the polyester batting. This one is 20 millimeters, the thickness. Next, you will need stiff felt, and you will not need a lot of felt for this particular book. So you need 7 colors of rainbow plus extra. I decided to use the pink one because I will have even number of pages, so 7 plus 1 extra. Felt only 13 by 13 centimeters, plus ribbons, 3 cuts of the ribbons for each color. Each cut is 6 centimeters long, so 3 for yellow, 3 for green, and for each color. Next, I'm going to use texture fabrics. Use any texture fabric you have. You may need approximately 8 by 8 centimeters of each color or each texture.